Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Ramon. For this video, what I want is for anybody who has any questions whatsoever about Penn, leave a comment below. I'm gonna make this video like a replying kind of video. Like you just put your questions down below, and I'm gonna reply as much as I can with it. Again, the questions that you guys are asking, if you log into your Penn account, you could find them all there in the questions and answers area. But what I'm going to do is you guys can put the questions below, and I'm going to go ahead and do a deep search and find the questions, the answers for your questions. Okay? So because I get a lot of questions from everybody that could be easily found in the questions and answers in the Penn section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and answer those questions for you as much as as best to my knowledge. And I'm going to also deep search the questions for you. And the questions that I get the most, I'm going to go ahead and make another video about. So we can go ahead and have that there. Yeah, it's been a long time since I made a video. I am still alive. I am currently working at Amazon. So 10-hour shifts, long hours, 4 days. It kills a man. Also, I moved, so I'm somewhere else now. That's why I haven't been uploading that many videos recently. And yeah, if you also have any questions about Amazon, I'm gonna start making videos about my journey there as well. Amazon. It's the kind of job that I didn't think I was ever going to start working in. What I did. Also, what I found out about Amazon is they do also help you by paying for your school. That's another good thing. When I say your school, I mean like your college. They will help you pay for your college. They'll pay it all. I think it's like up to $5,000 for full-time. But there's that. But, leave a comment below about any questions that you guys have. I'm going to answer to the best of my knowledge. I'm going to deep search the questions and answers in Penn and answer the questions word by word by what they have written down. And like this video and subscribe. Also, I will be in the future making videos of reviews of Amazon products. I buy a lot of stuff on Amazon. I work at Amazon, so I'm an Amazonian now. See y'all.